Hey guys, it's the Diecast Man here, bringing you another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing my very first AutoArt. This is the AutoArt Porsche 918 Spyder. Sorry I haven't put up a video in a long time. It's just that we've gotten to a point where the new videos that come up will be the new cars, and as you guys know, I need a real car and not a model car. But you're probably wondering, gee, of all cars, if you need a real car, then why would you pick something this expensive? Well, I actually couldn't resist on this one. I ended up paying $130 shipped on eBay, which was just an amazing deal through an auction. So I kind of couldn't resist. I had a gift card anyway. So that really helped out. And another thing to note too, I am under the weather currently, but I still want to get this unboxing done, and the review will be coming later. But yeah, nonetheless, I'm super excited about this. Now this car is used, but it seemed to be in pretty good condition. Not sure how complete it is regarding, like, you know, the tools and things like that. But it looks to be in perfect condition. So the 918 comes in lots of different specs. You can get in like matte black with the Martini livery, silver, white with the Martini livery, Riviera blue, black. There's lots of different colors. As always, I'll link this black one in the description below. So the anticipation is absolutely killing me, and I'm sure it's probably killing you too. So without any more ado, let's unbox this. My first AutoArt, super excited. I've been looking forward to this for a very long time. I've always wanted a 918. It's been like one of my top 5 favorite cars. It's just so cool. So yeah, the review will be coming eventually, and hopefully I'll get out of this little cold here. Alright, that box fits in there very nicely. So we'll bring it out here. We have the AutoArt box. Any other things? No, just scraps. Okay, so here's our AutoArt box. It's the newer style that they decided to do. We have Porsche 918 Spyder on this side, AutoArt, and then the whole details of it. This is the black one, and that was the only option that I had. And I'm not going to complain because I love black on cars. It looks so nice, and I think the 918 wears it just so well as well. So looks like we have an abundance of tissues in here. That'll be helpful for my cold. Let's see how they're doing it in here. This is that's a lot of tissues. Puffs. Okay. Oh, I see. So the car is actually in here. Well, that's really bizarre. That is something I've never seen before. Okay. That's going to be fun to clean off all the dust. So the car is actually in this tissue box. That's really weird. Never seen that before. We'll see though. We have the, I don't know what this is. Is this? Oh, it's an AutoArt catalog. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, we might have to do a whole video examining that. That's really cool. It's like a full catalog of AutoArts. That's so cool. Wow. And then it looks like we just have more tissues buried in there. That's wonderful. But definitely maybe used to my advantage. So get all that, move the box to the side, and let's take out all the things out of this here. And wow, okay, that's a 918. Yeah, no like original boxes or any, or yeah, the foam or whatever, or the pamphlet about it, but that's quite alright. I mean, this is like, I've never seen anything like this before. I'm not really sure how to get it out without damaging the mirrors. Oh, I guess just like that. Wow, okay. That looks quite impressive. Let me lower this down. So this is the 918. I mean, it's already loose like this, so it's very interesting how they did that. I don't know, but I mean, it definitely kept the car in really good shape. But this is the 918. I mean, this looks unbelievable. You got those acid green brake calipers. I mean, this just looks amazing here. The back, oh man. Yeah, and it's got lots of moving parts and everything. It's kind of weird though that it doesn't have like any of the other, you know, original certificates or things like that. But it does come with this massive catalog, so I don't know, you win some, you lose some, I guess. It's very interesting, and I guess you could call it innovation that they decided to package it in a tissue box. That is just, I don't even know what to make of that. But yeah, I mean, this car, I'm pretty much just at a loss for words. This thing just looks incredible, especially once I get it all dusted off, too. I mean, it looks magnificent. The lighting in here is just not very good. But let me just... The calipers are just insane, too. Wow. Yeah, this just looks phenomenal. So, expect a review coming probably once I get over this cold. And yeah, I mean, this car just looks amazing. I don't know of any other scheduled models that I have. I do have one on pre-order, but we'll see. I'm not really sure when that's supposed to come out either. But yeah, so my very first AutoArt with the unboxing of it, the AutoArt Porsche 918 Spyder. It's the Diecast Man, signing off.